Robotics and artificial intelligence technologies are being used to tackle some of the most pressing challenges of our time. We'll explore how researchers are combining those approaches to advance robots that work collaboratively to support the workforce in the U.S. National Science Foundation's Discovery Files.
Having multiple robots, we have a versatile solution. We will be able to move objects and manipulate things that autonomous systems were not able to do before. We will adapt to them.
David Saldaña is an assistant professor at Lehigh University. His lab is developing aerial robots that cooperate through physical interaction and resilient multi-robot networks. Advanced robot control techniques, including reinforcement learning, are being introduced to refine the robots and train them to work together for future challenges.
In aerial robots, the batteries don't last that long, so they need to learn fast. They cannot make big mistakes because then they will crash. So these are the main challenges here. How to do it fast, how to do it accurately and safe.
In the future, these robots may unlock transformative real-world applications, helping human workers in the construction industry and providing support in the dynamic environment of emergency and disaster response scenarios. Learn more in NSF's Discovery Files podcast, Collaborative Aerial Robots.